welcome back to Keon Knows It All. I hope you saw my 3x3 tutorial on this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. If you didn't, go watch that now. I teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube in 8 steps, though that's not the video we're in right now. I am going to teach you how to do the Rubik's Cube with your eyes closed and a blindfold, okay? First, I'm gonna show you. So what I did, now I'm going to tell you. So I solved the Rubik's Cube when it was already solved. So what I did was, the cube was already solved, but I mixed it up and then I did it again. Now this trick can impress your friends because it'll look like you're actually doing it blindfolded, which you are. There's a trick to it though. Now how you do this, if you watch my 3x3 Rubik's Cube tutorial, I told you this move and this algorithm. R, which is right up, U, which is up to the left, R prime, which is right down, and U prime, which is the other way of U. Now this algorithm, if you do it 6 times to a solved cube, it will solve again. You just need to count it how much times you're doing it. And if you're going really fast, no one will know you're even counting. See, watch this. I already did it once. All I need to do is count it 5 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since I already did the first one. That equals to 6, which is the solved cube. Now I'm going to show you again step by step, but this time in a closer view. So what you have to do is you go R, which is the right side up, U, which is the top row and left, R prime, which prime means counterclockwise. So counterclockwise always is prime. And same with U, because the next step is U prime, counterclockwise again. Now, again, like I told you last time, we do this 5 more times. And there we go. Now I do it in a slower version. Watch. So, R. So that's 3, I'm counting. 4, 5, and then automatically 6, and it's solved. I hope you can impress your friends with this trick, and if you did, comment down below that you did, okay? And make sure to watch my 3x3 tutorial because I teach you how to do it in 8 steps, and who doesn't want to learn the 3x3 Rubik's Cube? I'll see you in the next one.